to connect Stripe to your BoloForms account. Suppose you want to take payments along with signatures in your document. What can we do is navigate to Document Value tab and click on Connect. This will redirect us to the Stripe connection page. As you can see, here you have to enter your Stripe details. I'll be pausing the video and entering my Stripe details. After a successful connection, you should see that the options have been enabled. The document has two ways in which you can assign value to it. First, custom value. It is an arbitrary value which you can assign to any given contract. And second is document value, which is derived from the pricing tables added in the document. For now, we'll use custom amount. Before we set the custom amount, we need to select our currency. Here, you can select your currency. After selecting your currency, we set custom amount of 500 US dollars. Also, in order to set a default currency, what you can do is go to your dashboard, settings, default settings, workspace defaults, and set your preferred currency. After you have set your preferred currency over here, any documents created hereafter will have that currency populated over here. You can change that currency later on, but it will be pre-populated. Now we'll select roles which will be paying for the given document amount. You can either have one singular role paying or you can have multiple roles. In either case, all the signers must have first signed the document in order to pay the document amount. Now that we have selected our document amount and we have created uh, a document, we can see that the document value has been populated below the document name. Save this document. Now that we have saved the document, we'll send to the signers. For now, I'll be signing for both the payer and the signer as well. First, the payer. We can see that the document value has been shown beside the finish signing button. Let's complete the signing process. Now, what you can see over here is the continue payment button is disabled. Until and unless all the signers have signed, this button will be disabled. So, for the other signer, we'll sign. In the meantime, what we can see is in the payments tab, we have got a document populated which has a status of sent. As now it is sent and not yet signed by all the parties, it has a status sent. We'll sign as the signer too. For signer 2, you won't see any document value, and after signing, a thank you screen will be presented. But for the payer, signed payer, the screen will still persist until the payment is done. In the payment screen, we can see that the status has updated to signed and waiting for payment. Now, if you go and click on pay, the payment button has been enabled. Continue to payment. I'll complete the payment process. Till that time, I'll pause my video. So as you can see, after successful payment, thank you screen has been presented. And if you go into payments tab, refresh, we can see that the document status is updated to paid. As well as over here in the respondents, we'll have the status as paid. This is how you perform payments or collect payments with BoloForms and Stripe integration.